Intentamos de apoyar y proveer ubicada 1,000 additionality las ambas de 5,500. Okay, showdown for the top, showdown! Para game na. Bahala na si Sir John Wick. Score po namin ay 2-1. So, congratulations to Miss
Say hi.
San Pedro. Si Miss naman na Miss will be receiving 500 pesos. Sponsored by the bank.
Bale, may 5,000 ka.
Of the Philippines. And for the 1,000 pesos, sponsored by our very own the Mayor, Dante Dexter. So, they will be 1,500. Hello. Pwede bang yung award natin, tatanggapin ninyo during awards night or awards day? Baka mag-isa. Kasi planning na magkakaroon din tayo na award, isang natin yung day.
Ayaw mo, sisikat ka dito. Shy type si Miss na bandagan, no? Doon lang, sarap.
Ibibigay na lang yung cash pricing then ceremonial na lang pagdating ng awarding natin. Okay, muli our first placer is
Ayan yung number 1 and number 2 na Miss. Bali nanalo yung San Pedro.
1,000 pesos. Compliment of our veteran Mayor Dante Dexter Agator. Picture referees, background. Ayan.